Hello, in this video, I have a little challenge for you. Um, do you see a number here? And if so, what number do you see? This has been really everywhere I've read in the past days, this challenge. And as a tester, well, I like to do challenges. So how would you solve this? Pause the video and write in the comments, firstly, what number do you see? And then after you see how I would go about solving this, write in the comments if you would solve it differently or if you saw the number from the beginning. So let's get started. Well, I personally, of course, I see a 2 here and something that looks like an 8 and a 5. But I'm pretty sure there's more to it than just these numbers. So I thought, okay, how should I go about checking this? Well, the first thing that popped into my mind was, this is an image. It has something like characters in it. So I tried an OCR. Unfortunately, the OCR didn't detect anything. Okay, maybe this is something like an eye test. If it's an eye test, I did make a video at one point about how to simulate um, different vision impairments in Chrome. So let's have a look how that would be. So if I do, this doesn't help, this doesn't help either, a little bit better, and let's go to blurred vision. You see, now I see, so 5 to 8, I see a 4, and maybe something like a 3, but I do get the feeling there's something here, and there's something here as well. And the last thing I had in my mind, okay, how can I tackle this contrast? Because it's a contrast problem for me, at least in the end. And I thought about, okay, I'll open this image in a web editor or an image editor, and there I'll just try to invert the colors. And now I can see 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 3, and what appears to be a 9. I would say, yeah. So the number is 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 3, 9. Did you get the same number? How would you have solved this puzzle differently? Write in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.